Hi guys! So I'm Vital Crystal Joy.
And I'm Gretchen Valete.
So now we'll discuss on how to test the CSR of compressor motor.
How to test the CSR of a compressor motor is, first we need to calibrate the two probes. The needle of the multimeter need to be 0 before using the multimeter analog. So first, let's start to test the CNR. So the needle goes on 10, so the CNR have 10 ohms. So before move on to the next, we need to calibrate again the two probes. So next is the CNS. So as we can see, the needle goes on 8, so the CNS have 8 ohms. So move on the next, we need to calibrate again the probes. Then let's check the S and R. So the S and R have 12 ohms. And that's how you calibrate the compressor motor CSR. So if we need to know if the compressor is shorted, we need to put the two probes on each CSR and in metal part. So as we can see, there is no reading, so the compressor is good.